Michael Williams. Michael, why do you support the JAHJAH Foundation? Why are you here?
Well, JAHJAH Foundation is an organization that's doing great work for the less fortunate kids in Jamaica. Adults, kids, everybody. And when you have an organization who can send an ambulance to Jamaica because of the involvement here, you have to support an organization like that because you can't say anything better.
Right.
One step is the ambulance, next thing is another ambulance. So I support it because we have our vision set on something bigger than an ambulance. So my support and everybody says support tonight is going towards a bigger mission, a bigger cause, and JAHJAH Foundation give my 100% support.
Well, thank you for your support, brother.
I'm going to be here tonight. I'm going to be at other event that JAHJAH Foundation is involved with. JAHJAH Foundation to the world.
Michael
Michael Williams said that.
All right.